All right, so for 19 here, we start with the summation from 1 to 15 of I parentheses I minus 1 squared. So first thing you gotta do is you have to square that out to get I squared minus 2I plus 1. And then you'll distribute that I in. Um, Once you do that, you'll have this here. Once you're to this point, then you can sum in those summation formulas that are on page 260. So I to the third goes to n squared times n plus 1 squared over 4. Then it's minus 2, and the I squared will go to the n times n plus 1, 2n plus 1 over 6. Now I reduced the 2 and the 6 to make that 3 on the bottom, just to try and start simplifying some stuff down. And then just regular I goes to n times n plus 1 over 2. And then you're going to put in 15, because that top is your n. So if the top is 15 in this case, that'll go in for every n. So replace every n with a 15 then. And then it's simplifying from there. So 15 squared is 225, 15 plus 1 is 16, and when you square that, you get 256, which could be reduced with the 4 on the bottom to 64. The middle there, that 15 and the 3 reduce again to be a 5, and so you'd have 5 times 16 times 31. And the last part there, you're going to have 5 times 16, which that 16 can reduce with the 2 on the bottom to an 8. So you get 14,400 minus your 2480 plus your 120 leaves you with your 12,040. And then for number 21, same sort of a thing where, again, they don't give you an n on top, they give you an actual number, so we'll plug that in once we get it. Now, this one is already ready to go with the I squared plus 3, so I squared goes to n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6. And the 3 will go to a 3n. And then replace every n with a 20. So you get 20 times 20 plus 1, 2 times 20 plus 1 over 6, 3 times 20, which will go to 2 times 21 times 41 over 6 plus 60. So in other words, 2,870 plus 60, which is 2,930. And that is how you do those.